Hello and welcome to the shed. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to sharpen the humble spade bit. Hope you enjoy. So I am going to be using the old battery drill for this, since these bits don't work too well with hand drills. So this is just a piece of scrap pine, and let's see how blunt this is. You can see that it's not going through as fast as it should, and that is very hot. It started burning. When it comes to the spade bits, there's a high point here and a high point on this side. So you're looking across, you'll see an angle, and it angles up to an edge here and here. They're the two bits that we want to sharpen towards that height. So I hope you can see, especially on this side here, how it angles up to here where my finger is, and this one is already high here. So that's where we're looking to sharpen. You can either use a bit of 240 grit sandpaper just on a stick, or one of these diamond sort of paddles. They both work pretty well for this process. So in order to do that, we just bring our abrasive in, start working it on the top, making nice flat contact across those points. If you're using the diamonds, you can go back and forwards. If you're using the sandpaper, well, one direction is best for that. What you don't want to do is abrade into this central piece here, and you don't want to do anything on the outsides or these flat parts, because there's no need to. We just want to sharpen this angle here, turn it around and do the same to the other side. You can see that this one was a little rusty, but you can see now that we've got nice abraded pieces here. It will have formed a little burr on here, and they'll break off as soon as you go to use it. So now let's jump down here and see how sharp it is. So you can see that that went through that really quickly. Let me just grab a quick scrap of hardwood. So I've got a piece of scrap jarrah down here. Nice, clean cut, and because I had a backing board, it stayed clear on that side, and that's a good tip with spade bits. If you have a backing piece against it, it won't blow out. So we can see that was nice, clean, and very quick. So there you have it, folks. As you can see inside, let's say conservatively a minute. It was really less than that to sharpen this. The whole spade bit was transformed, went from essentially a piece of rubbish that wouldn't cut anything to something that's just tearing through even the hardest of timbers such as jarrah. So if you like this video, please do like and subscribe down below, and while you're down there, do sound off in the comments. Have you had issues with having blunt spade bits? Do let me know how well it works for you down below. And if you'd like to see another great sharpening video for a drill bit, as you've seen here today, do check out the one up here where I show you how to just sharpen a normal drill bit without a grinder. Bye for now.